Hello everyone, hope you have a great day. Today we're going to make something homemade healthy drink. Also, I'm going to start making cooking video again. So you let me know what you want me to make and you can request it on the comment and I will try my best. Also in our cooking video, fortune cooking, we have about almost 900 recipe. So if you see anything that you want to make, just search, type it in, like how to make. Usually it will show up. If not, let me know, okay? Let's do it. Okay, I have a pot of hot water boiling. There's one juicy lemon. We're gonna thinly slice it. Lemon in. And then fresh ginger. Eyeball it. You can do sliced ginger with the skin on, it's okay. Make sure you wash the skin, or you can just use, ground chicken. Ground ginger. Okay, and then you can put any kind of tea you like. I like green tea. I don't know the ratio. I just gonna eyeball it. Who want to measure everything? Make it easy. Maybe 4. I'll show you later in the pot. Okay. Put this for the next time. Apple cider vinegar. Eyeball it. That's good enough. Or maybe a little more. Okay. Organic honey or any honey you have at home. So we have acidity from the lemon, the flavor, the taste from the green tea, and the ginger, of course, good. I don't suggest garlic on this thing. It's supposed to be help you, boost your immune system and good for everything. Digestion, antioxidant, But I show you. So basically, I don't want to make this thing into like boiling, just a little bit, like almost get to the simmer. I just want to extract all the lemon. Actually, I think the skin will be good too, the green tea. Here we go. And I want to drink something warm. Maybe the leftover I can keep in the fridge. Usually warm is good for you, I think. That's what my parents say. Well, you gotta trust your parents. The ancient Chinese philosophy secret. Okay, I'm just heat it up. I don't see any boiling, so remember I said I don't want to get into the boiling point. Just like a little bit almost to the simmer. You can see they start moving, dancing around. Maybe a couple more minutes. At the meantime, you can put everything away. Right? I usually do 2 to 3 things at the same time. And then what are you gonna do when you have time? Relax. Go to the gym, or pick a ball, or meditate, or do yoga, or just go for a walk, or do nothing. Don't think about anything else. You can do that. You gotta find time to do that. We all need to have some downtime. Beautiful. It's fall in Michigan now. This is perfect. You can have a try. Wow, very clean. The honey is good, not too much. I think this is good. I'm gonna turn it off. I can taste the green tea flavor. Turn it off. Just let them sit here for a few minutes. To your help, my friend. I hope you like the video. Bring this healthy to your family and your friends. They say you're supposed to flat your stomach too. I'm not sure. Let's see.